welcome to my videos. Oh yeah, okay. Well, once this finished loading, I'm just gonna show you some stuff. Okay. For a while I couldn't hold the elixir, but now I can't hold gold. But on the bright side, if you look here, yay, my laboratory is upgrading. Yeah. I'm upgrading that, and oh yeah, 41 minutes. Okay. Anyways, I'm just gonna join some troops here, and probably request if I can. 3, 6, 4, 10. Okay, there we go. And can I send a request? Yes, I can. I changed my request. Now it's balloons, please. I'm gonna do what I do in every video. Just say the name. So there's Richie, Cole, Star, Joshua, Malik, Toothless, TL Smith, Slappy's White, DJ Venom, Death User, 17 Kenster, Cat Turpie, Toxic Mask, Nitro Gamer, Redeemer, Awesome, and then me, Ninja J, and also I'm also Joshua, time hold level 8, and yeah. Yep, the bombs are that high, so yep. Anyways, level 2 dragons. Yep, 5. Yep. Anyways, yeah, that's my other base, and I was kind of hoping to do a battle in this video, but it looks like I can't because they're training, so yeah, I'll just be doing other stuff, like showing you guys stuff. And yeah, okay, so, oh, by the way, if you haven't noticed, if you look up where my trophies are, you'll see that I'm a bronze now. Woohoo. There. And promoted to a bronze. It's awesome now. Yay! I'm a bronze. I don't think there's anybody that would ever be excited to be a bronze, except for low levels like me. Now, this video ain't just gonna be about Clash. So that's why this video is called Subway Clash. I'm also gonna be playing Subway Surfer. Now, yeah, I hope you like it. Yep, it's gonna be nice. Here's a tip. Okay. Anyways, on my other device, my high score is super high. Once this finished loading, you will notice that oh my gosh. Does this thing even know how to work? Okay, that my score isn't that high. And there's my sister.
We're going to the pool.
Yeah, we're going swimming today, so yeah. Yeah. I'm sorry about that, guys. It's okay, tons of gamer people have that happen. Except they don't have to stop. Oh my gosh, I was swiping. Why weren't you listening, you stupid thing? This thing ain't listening. Literally, bam. You have to do like this. Doing, swipe, doing. We're about to go take a little bit of flight. With a jetpack, too. Nice. It's kind of awesome. We scored this in a jetpack. That is actually literally awesome. That doesn't happen that often. Okay. Okay, tell me in the comments below if you think that was kind of awesome. And also in the comments below if you like this video and if you think I should do more like it. And also have my sister interrupt a little bit more. So that would be nice. Not for me, but for you guys who might like it. To be honest, I don't even know what you guys like. You have no comments down below, so.
Hi.
I don't think anybody watches these videos, but yeah, they will. My sister's in it. So much trains. Ah. Oh, gosh. Charles, I need another L. I don't know why. Here we go. Whoa. Okay. So, put in the comments down below. And this video is almost over, or when I die it is. Oh, darn it. Oh. Okay. Well, then, ooh, sweet. New high score, guys. Woohoo. Okay, okay, that's the end of my video, so I hope you liked it, and please do subscribe, and bye.